everyone, welcome back to Will Button Education, where we bring you the best insights into studying MBBS abroad. Today we are taking you to the land of history, science and a world-class medical education, Egypt, and not just any university, but one of the most prestigious Cairo University's Faculty of Medicine. So if you are a student dreaming of becoming a doctor or a parent looking for the best option for your child's future, stay tuned because this video is packed with everything you need to know. Why Egypt for MBBS? Egypt, home to the Great Pyramids, the Sphinx, and one of the world's oldest civilizations, is now emerging as a top destination for medical education. In recent years, more and more Indian students, especially from Kerala, have chosen Egypt for their MBBS, and there is a good reason for that. One of the most sought-after universities here is Cairo University's Faculty of Medicine, established in 1827. This institution has been shaping the future of medical professionals for nearly 200 years. The capital city of Egypt is vibrant, student-friendly, and rich in culture. Life here is a mix of modern city vibes and ancient history. But most importantly, it's affordable compared to Western countries, making it a great choice for Indian students. One of the biggest concerns when studying abroad is safety. At Cairo University, international students are well taken care of with secure hostel accommodation, 24/7 security, and support from the student community. Whether it's academics, adjusting to a new culture, or making friends, there's always someone to help. Now let's talk about something really important recognition. A medical degree is only valuable if it's acceptable worldwide, and Cairo University has that covered. It meets all National Medical Commission, that is NMC guidelines, which means Indian students can practice in India after clearing the next exam. Not just that, it's also recognized by ECFMG, WFME and WHO, opening the doors to career opportunities in the US, UK and the Middle East. The university has also made remarkable contributions to medical research, especially in infectious diseases, oncology, cardiology and neurology. In fact, during the COVID-19 pandemic, it played a crucial role in the research related to hepatitis C and breast cancer treatment. So, what does the MBBS course at Cairo University look like? The programs last 7 years, which include 5 years of academic studies and 2 years of compulsory internship. You know what is the good news? The entire course is taught in English, making it easy for Indian students to follow. The first year focuses on the pre-clinical subjects like anatomy, biochemistry and physiology, while the later year covers clinical subjects such as surgery, internal medicine, gynecology, orthopedics and pediatrics. One unique thing about studying medicine in Egypt, students also learn basic Arabic to communicate effectively with patients during the hospital training. But don't worry, it's not difficult and it's a great skill to have if you plan to work in the Middle East. Speaking of hospital training, Cairo University has some of the best clinical exposure you can get. With 25 affiliated hospitals, including the historic Qasr Al Aini Hospital, students gain hands-on experience in diagnosing and treating real patients. Egypt's diverse population ensures exposure to a wide range of medical cases, giving students a strong foundation in practical medicine. And the best part, the lab facilities are top-notch with state-of-the-art pathology, anatomy and biochemistry labs where students get the work on real cadavers. Now let's talk about how to get into Cairo University. The admission process in Egypt is a bit different. It follows a nomination system, but don't worry, we will guide you through it. To be eligible, you need a minimum of 75% in PCB, I mean physics, chemistry and biology in your 12th grade exam. And here is the best part, no entrance exams is required. So if you meet the percentage criteria, you are good to go. Now let's get into the part everyone is curious about, fees. The tuition fee at Cairo University is just $8,000 per year, which is roughly 6.9 lakh. You can pay this in 2 installments per year, making it a flexible option. Living expenses in Cairo are also quite affordable. Hostel accommodation costs around $150 per month, approximately 12,900 rupees. Food and other expenses come to about $200 to $250 per month, approximately 70,200 to 21,500 rupees. Most Indian students prefer to cook their own meals to stay in private hostels where they can find Indian food. So, what are your career options after completing MBBS from Cairo University? Since the university follows the NMC guidelines, Indian students can return to India and appear for the next exam to get their medical license and practice here. If you are looking for opportunities abroad, Cairo University's degree is also recognized by ECFMG, WFME and WHO, which means you can pursue higher studies or work in countries like the USA, UK, Canada and Gulf nations. Many graduates opt for the USMLE to practice in the US or the PLAB for the UK. Additionally, Egypt itself offers postgraduate medical programs and job opportunities in well-established hospitals. With the growing healthcare sector in the Middle East, an MBBS degree from Egypt gives you a strong advantage if you want to work in countries like Saudi Arabia, UAE, and Qatar. So why should you choose Egypt for MBBS? Internationally recognized degree that is valid in India and abroad. Affordable tuition fees while compared to the private medical colleges in India. High quality education. Cairo University is one of the top universities in the world. Excellent clinical exposure. Hands-on training in top hospitals. For students dreaming of becoming doctors but struggling with the high fees of competition in India, Egypt is a great alternative that offers world-class medical education at an affordable cost. If you want to know more about admissions, fees, or the application process, drop your questions in the comments or contact us directly. That's all for today's video. If you found this information helpful, like, share, and subscribe to Will Button Education for more updates on studying MBBS abroad. See you in the next video. Stay motivated, stay focused, and chase your dreams.